We're here in St Ultan School in Cherry Orchard to ask students what they want for Christmas, what they wish Santa to know, but most importantly, what their favorite Christmas dish is and what their favorite Christmas song is this year. What does Christmas mean to you?
Happy Christmas and present and some Christmas dinner.
Okay, what's your favorite part about Christmas dinner?
Obviously the stuff that is lovely. I like having roast beef for dinner on Christmas Eve, and I like opening presents. I want to make Christmas pudding. My mommy helps me.
And do you like cooking with your mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Every day I cook with her.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
A bike and a swishman, like earrings, flip-flops, and then a hairbrush. A skateboard.
A skateboard.
I want a bike.
You want a bike?
Yeah, the bike car. I want a toy kitchen.
You want a toy kitchen? Okay. And what are you going to cook in the kitchen?
I just want to get a big Lego plane, but I never have one. Want it. And second, I want a little plane, no, like something else, not a Lego. It's a little plane, but not made out of Lego. You know what else I want? Mm-hmm. A big Hot Wheels car. An iPad where you can go on. And I'm also getting one of these, but you have to put your books on it.
A bookshelf.
An iPad. A car.
A car? Oh, and where would you drive? If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you drive with your car?
To Smith's.
You want a bike for Christmas. And where would you go with that bike?
Smith's.
Have you been naughty or nice this year? You've been nice?
Yeah.
What did you do this year that was nice?
Play with my brother. Nice.
You've been nice?
Because I was picking up for my sister. I helped my brother do some jobs. I played with my baby brother. I helped my dad fold the bed. I buy something for my mom.
What would you say to Santa?
I would say how's Feliz.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah, how's Dasher?
Schools are especially blessed to be part of the excitement of Christmas and part of children's preparation for Christmas. Here in St Ultan's, we have a number of events that the children are involved in and our parents are involved in, so it can become a school and community event, including our Christmas craft fair, which is great fun. We had a packed hall here a couple of Fridays ago, packed full of parents and children selling their wares for Christmas and sharing in the joys, and celebrate Christmas in song and performance here in St Ultan's.